Okay, I've got a question for you. When was the last time you thought about giving your feet a little bit of TLC? While we look after other areas like our face or our hands, they often get overlooked. Here to talk to us about an easy way to care for our feet at home is co-founder and CEO Rachel Ferguson from SynxBody. Rachel, great to have you in the studio.
Thank you so much, Kaz.
So tell me, why is it so important for people out there to look after our feet?
Our feet play a crucial role in our overall well-being, and for so many of us, our feet enable us to stay active, yet they're often neglected. Ignoring them can lead to everything from dry, cracked heels, ingrown toenails, swelling and discomfort.
Oh, absolutely. So tell us a little bit about SynxBody. What sets it apart from some of the other foot care brands out there on the market?
We're an Australian-owned company that care deeply about educating and empowering people to take care of their feet. Whether you're someone who values an active lifestyle or someone who prefers to take it easy, we believe everyone should have access to professional foot care to keep their bodies supported and strong.
Absolutely. Now, you mentioned some problems like cracked heels. How can SynxBody help with those issues?
For cracked heels and dry skin, the synxpedi foot smoother is a game changer. It uses advanced nanoglass technology to remove dry skin and can be used in the shower.
Gee, that sounds good. So how does it actually work?
It's so simple and there is no need for any harsh scrubbing. You gently file it back and forth along the heels and the skin just flakes away like magic.
Well, sounds amazing. Do you recommend using anything on the heels after you've used this?
Yes, sometimes the skin builds up too quickly and we need something to assist in naturally exfoliating the cells. This is why we developed the SynxPedi Miracle Foot Mask. It's like a spa treatment for your feet. Its unique formula combines salicylic acid, 35% urea and AHAs to gently exfoliate and hydrate, reducing skin build-up for visibly smooth, baby soft feet.
Gee, that sounds good, doesn't it? So what about ingrown toenails? You mentioned those.
For ingrown toenails, we have a toenail file that allows you to clear and file the nails with ease. We also have ergonomically designed toenail clippers, which are very easy on your hands. They are perfect for cutting thicker nails easily in the comfort of your own home.
So how else can SynxBody help our feet?
We offer a wide range of products to support overall comfort and well-being. Our compression socks and innovative insoles are designed to improve comfort, while the Synx Jelly products assist in reducing friction, blisters and protecting the toes. These are practical solutions to real everyday foot concerns.
I do need to try those as well, but you also tailor much of the range so athletes can benefit from these as well, right?
It's so important to have the right cushioning when you're on the move. Ensuring your body is supported in all the right places and ensuring muscles are relaxed is vital to helping you perform at your peak.
Okay, speaking of supporting muscles, I can see that you've got a magnesium spray there, which can be really helpful for so many people.
That's true. Magnesium relaxes muscles and can help improve sleep and restless legs. Our magnesium spray is infused with essential oils like peppermint and arnica, absorbs easily and is perfect for on-the-go use before sleep and after exercise.
Yeah, I love that spray. And with all these great options, how do I know which one's right for me?
We've made it simple. Our website features an AI tool where you can ask any foot-related question and get tailored product recommendations instantly. We also have a podcast called Soul Wellness, which is packed with the latest information and wellness tips from experts around the globe.
So where can we find the SynxBody range?
You can shop online at synxbody.com, where $1 from every online order supports JDRF. Our products are also available nationwide at TerryWhite Chemmart pharmacies. Ask your local TerryWhite Chemmart pharmacist about SynxBody products or just check out our website for more information.
Yeah, Rachel, thank you so much for coming in today.
Thanks for having me, Kaz.
Now, for you at home, whether you're dealing with a specific issue or you just want to give your feet that little bit of TLC that they deserve, you can check out the entire SynxBody range today. Don't forget, if you head to the website, that AI tool is going to help you out with all of the information that you need. And you can also head into your local TerryWhite Chemmart pharmacy today for more information and they can help you out as well.